Today, we'll take you on a thrilling ride through intense police chases that showcase the courage and quick thinking of law enforcement officers. From daring maneuvers to heart-stopping moments, these dashcam clips capture the high-stakes drama as suspects attempt to evade capture.
December 14th, 2022, in Tallahassee, Florida, Highway Patrol found themselves in a pursuit that began when they pulled over a driver for reckless driving. The driver initially stopped on the side of the road, but as soon as he saw a trooper approaching his vehicle, he accelerated, initiating a chase. The suspect began driving at speeds exceeding 140 miles per hour, causing troopers to lose sight of him. However, after 5 minutes, they relocated the suspect and continued the chase.
Get back on the interstate, westbound right there. Westbound, I think, sorry, sir. Just go right there.
The trooper caught up to the suspect's vehicle and executed a pit maneuver, causing the suspect's vehicle to go off the road. The suspect came to a stop, and the trooper exited their vehicle to arrest him. The suspect and the passenger were arrested and taken into custody without further incident. On July 15th, 2022, Byron police received reports of an SUV driving recklessly on GA Highway 42. Witnesses indicated the vehicle was swerving into oncoming traffic at the intersection of Highway 42 and Highway 49. Witnesses blocked the SUV in. When officers arrived, the driver was uncooperative, refusing to respond to commands. To prevent her from fleeing, officers deployed stop sticks under her tires to deflate them if she attempted to drive away.
Yeah.
After the suspect's tires were deflated, she became boxed in with seemingly nowhere to go. In a surprising move, she accelerated and struck a patrol car before fleeing the scene once again.
Go! Didn't want to do that.
With her tire nearly falling off, the suspect couldn't escape far with the deflated tire. Troopers quickly boxed her in again, exited their patrol cars, and arrested her.
I got in the car. Give me some help over here. I got you.
Sir.
Ma'am. We got it.
I know I'm sir.
Yeah.
Sir. I didn't do anything. I didn't do it, sir.
You just tried to kill 10 people.
No, I didn't, sir.
Alex, what's wrong with you?
Sir, stop. Sir, I didn't do it. Stop. Stop. Why have you done? Stop. Stop. I didn't do it.
It won't fit.
It's astonishing that she claimed she didn't do anything after ramming multiple patrol cars and driving into 10 people. Nonetheless, she was arrested and taken into custody. Clayton County Sheriff's Office troopers were involved in a pursuit of a ZL1 Camaro after spotting it driving recklessly and above the speed limit. When a trooper got behind the vehicle and activated emergency lights, the driver failed to stop, leading to a chase.
Call it up.
You can show us 1080 in pursuit with a blue Camaro. It's going to be displaying tag Charlie Lima Alpha 5841. That tag's going to come back to a 2007 Chevy Tahoe. Straight. Oh, he probably crashed.
Dispatch, stand by 1 second, stand by.
Yep, he crashed. He crashed.
Dispatch, stand by, it's gonna be 41, we're trying to locate the vehicle now.
Slow down. Right there.
Radio, hold traffic, 41.
The suspect lost control of his vehicle and crashed at the intersection. He then exited the car and began fleeing on foot.
Is that him?
Right here? Radio, stand by, he's turning okay.
The suspect was arrested shortly after and taken into custody without further incident. Troopers spotted a driver weaving in and out of lanes and exceeding the posted speed limit. Believing it would be just another routine traffic stop, the trooper activated lights, but the driver failed to stop and initiated a wild pursuit instead.
One 1734, Romeo Fox, 1734 RF so far.
The suspect was fleeing through a residential area, and the trooper was unsure if performing a pit maneuver was a good idea.
Come back here. 1050. I got the 10-4 for me to pit. Heard it. Still on Conway. Taking off 1 foot. Back to the trailer park right here.
When the suspect exited the vehicle and fled on foot, the trooper decided to pursue him in the patrol car. However, the trooper ended up damaging the patrol car in the process. He then awaited assistance to search for the suspect. With the help of K-9 units, the suspect was located and arrested without further incident. On March 3rd, 2022, around 12:09 p.m., trooper responded to a call from the Bibb County Sheriff's Office about a chase in progress. The Troop D Communications Center informed trooper that Bibb County was pursuing a driver for theft. Trooper began to follow the pursuing units as the fleeing vehicle traveled on Bass Road, approaching Georgia Highway 87.
Back off.
The suspect was driving recklessly, showing no regard for the safety of other drivers on the road.
Attempted to pit, got it. What else we got?
Got traffic. We good. Still going. It's okay. Approaching the hill. Approaching traffic. Right curve. Brake. No, not gonna pit. Come around the curve.
The suspect's reckless driving posed a significant danger to other motorists. Trooper attempted to get closer to execute a pit maneuver, but each time he approached, the suspect accelerated or brake checked him. The suspect also swerved in and out of lanes to prevent the trooper from executing the maneuver.
No, I don't run over him.
Okay, they're trying to get spike strips set up. Jones County is right there at the bypass.
Yeah, we just passed them.
So they didn't get them out?
No, they didn't. I'm trying to make sure I was coming up on the onside when I run over them. I'm going to try to pit. No, we're not.
the intersection.
Yep.
I'm clear right on the bypass.
Looks like he's gonna try to go
Right on what?
wrong side of traffic. On the wrong side. Wrong side of the interstate. He's on the wrong side of traffic.
When the suspect made a right turn at a traffic light, he drove over the median and onto the wrong side of the road, heading into oncoming traffic. However, when he tried to return to the correct side, things didn't go as planned. The fleeing driver then opened the driver's side door and raised his hands in the air. Members of the Jones County Sheriff's Office and Bibb County Sheriff's Office arrested him without further incident. Following the pursuit, the driver was identified as Mr. Stephen L.A. A Morrow PD Special Ops officer clocked a black Nissan Rogue driving recklessly at 105 miles per hour on I-75. When the officer attempted to pull the vehicle over, the driver accelerated, leading to a high-speed pursuit. The Blackhawks were soon requested to assist in bringing the chase to an end.
We're going southbound. Northbound right now. I'm about to put the seatbelt. All I call units are in pursuit of a reckless driver. We're trying to help Morrow out. About to do a pit right now. We're speeding on 75 south. Hey, stop it. Okay. Yes, sir.
For some reason, the suspect stopped and turned around, driving into oncoming traffic. Realizing it was a poor decision, he quickly made a U-turn and continued fleeing.
Hey, if you can pit him, pit him. I'm going right there. Pit. Unsuccessful pit, still going north 9 on 75. Trying to box it in. So, check out. Pit. Oh, he just pit him. Brown.
3 pit maneuvers were attempted to stop the suspect. After the third attempt, another trooper rammed the suspect's vehicle. The troopers then exited their patrol cars and arrested the suspect without further incident, successfully bringing the chase to an end. On October 15, 2024, Trooper Ramirez was conducting routine patrol in the area of Grand Avenue and Nowachita Avenue when he observed a dark gray 2004 Honda Odyssey. He ran the license plate through Atlas, which revealed that John Holder had recently been cited with this vehicle. It also indicated that Holder was driving on a suspended license and had a possible parole violation warrant out of the Arkansas Board of Parole. After confirming Holder's identity through his ID picture on Atlas, Trooper initiated a traffic stop. The vehicle came to a final stop in the 100 block of Violet Street. Trooper approached the vehicle on the driver's side and made contact with Holder and the front passenger, Brookhouse. He advised Holder that he was driving on a suspended license. When asked for his ID, Holder claimed he didn't have to provide it and insisted he had a driver's license. He refused to give his name or any identification. Trooper then returned to his vehicle to check for any warrants for the passenger. Once Holder's parole violation warrant was confirmed, he went back to the vehicle. Holder claimed his name was Dylan, stating, "It's been Dylan since I was born." Trooper asked Holder to step out of the vehicle multiple times, but he refused. Holder then put the vehicle in drive and fled.
Sir? 1037. 1037, we're violent. Left on Prospect.
7 on Flitter in the vehicle.
In the vehicle. We're going towards Easy Mark, somewhere in Hobson.
Holder drove recklessly throughout the pursuit, running several stop signs, driving left of center, and failing to use turn signals. He was speeding at such a high rate that he struggled to maintain control of the vehicle.
Cooper State Police. Take the turn right onto Hobson. On the summer.
Chicago.
Yeah, I just got him.
We're Hobson Mountain View. Left on Cooper. White female was dropped off at Hobson and Cooper.
Holder stopped his vehicle at Hobson Avenue and Cooper Street, where House exited. The pursuit then continued onto Campbell Street, with Holder driving at a high rate of speed and running several stop signs.
Odyssey fan, let them do.
7, I lost him.
Trooper lost visual of the vehicle at Campbell Street and Jeffrey Street and advised dispatch via radio that he had lost the vehicle. Trooper then made contact with the passenger House where she had been dropped off. House stated she did not know where Holder was going. She was advised that she was free to go. The suspect was caught 2 days later and was arrested and taken into custody.